Welcome to our comprehensive guide on their welding project, tailored for beginners. If you have never been intrigued by the art of welding and eager to embark on the journey of creativity and craftsmanship, you have come to the right place. In the welding, we will take you through a step-by-step process of creating an exciting welding project that are not only achievable for beginners but also provide valuable hands-on experience. Either you have interest in crafting functional items or artistic pieces, this guide will require you with the essential knowledge and skill confidently take start your welding. Our first project of welding garden trails is an excellent way for beginners to themselves with basic welding techniques with just a few pieces of steel and a welding machine. You will create sturdy and visually appealing structure to super climbing plants. So will walk you through stitching the right material, preparing the material surface, and executing fundamental welding trying to assemble the drills. The project of fantastic starting point on your welding skill while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your project. Unless your artistic side, with our second project design and welding your every own metal wall art. These projects allow you to experiment with various welding pattern, texture, and form of create a unique pieces that reflect your personal style. He will guide you through the process of drafting your design, cutting and metal place precise, meticulous welding them together by combining your newfound welding skills with your creative vision. You will proud to captivating piece art that can adorn your home and proudly gift it to others. For those seeking a vision of functionality and craftsmanship, the trade project focus on constructing a practical welded shaft. The project into more advanced welding techniques such as giant and full lead welds to ensure the shaft stability and float bearing capacity. You to learn to measure and cut metal accurately, apply precise welds, and achieve polish finish. This style shall on the serve to functional storage solution but also showcase your growing expertise in welding. Elevate your outdoor gadgeting with the homemade welded fireplace. Our fourth project is to introduce you to working with thicker metal, understanding heat distribution, and mastering welding position. We will guide you through gauging and fire pit structure, ensuring proper ventilation and apply the finishing touch to generate both safety and aesthetic. We will tackle this project. We will witness your skill evolving, making you more handling diverse welding challenge. We will throw out design is musical firing welding project. In this chapter, will guide you through the process of seeking bookshelf design, we will discuss measurement, materials, and overall structure to ensure a bookshelf not only books create but also effectively control up our sleeves and gather the necessary materials and tools for project. We will provide to a detailed checklist ensuring you to everything from metal sheets and angles, tenders to clamps and protective gear. Proper preparation at this stage will make your welding process smoother and more enjoyable. Setting up a proper workspace is essential. Safe and efficient welding in this will offer an easy access or well-optimized workspace will continue to significance of the quality of your welding and overall project outcome. Now it's time to dive into the heart of the project welding. We will cover the fundamental welding techniques such as metal nut gas welding, which an ideal beginners will learn about striking, creating smooth and constant weld. With your welding skills polished, time bring to bookshelf up to life. In this chapter, we will guide our through a step-by-step process, cutting, welding, assembling the various components of bookshelves from attaching shelves to welding joints. Gain practical experience while creating functional piece of furniture. As the bookshelf takes shape, we will focus on adding finishing touch that enhance the experience. Durable, we will discuss post-welding cleaning techniques and form through safety check to ensure your bookshelf is not only aesthetic pleasing but also structurally sound. You have successfully completed your first welding project. In this final chapter, we will reflect our journey, the skills you have acquired, and obstacles you have overcome. We will discuss potential next step your welding and over from exploring from advanced project to considering from welding education. To have a welding project, beginners has required to with knowledge, skill and confidence to embark your welding journey. By crafting functional books as we have demonstrate power here